My mom makes the best Korean food, but none of us, her kids, knows how to make them. So for the Mother's Day, I built her an app called Umma's Kitchen, where she can just speak the recipe in Korean and it transcribes, translates, and organizes the recipe in both languages into ingredients, steps, and tips. And she can add a
제가 이걸
photo,
좋아하는
video,
것은
even voice
이건
memo
문화적
to record what the food means to her and our family. And I built the entire app in just one day using
Build me
Lovable
a
and
bilingual
Whisperflow, where I
Korean
just speak the
English family
prompt and it
recipe book.
generates the entire app. And from there, I can integrate AI tools like OpenAI Whisper and troubleshoot by just talking to Lovable. I mean, I'm a developer, but I do love vibe coding, and I especially love Lovable for building the MVPs for my personal projects. Even if you don't know how to code, or even if you do know how to code, I strongly recommend trying out Lovable because it really makes amazing UIs instantly. Thank you. Anyhow, back to the topic. Every immigrant family has recipes that disappear when the mom stops cooking. But with Omma's Kitchen, the recipes stay in her own voice. This is not just a recipe book, it's a family heirloom.